I'm Dr. Whitney Preisser. I'm an assistant professor of biology here at KSU. My research is in parasite ecology. I study how parasites of wildlife are distributed across space and time. We know very little about parasites, especially here in Georgia, and so I really want us to help learn more about them.
I got interested in pursuing research here at Kennesaw State. I got a chance to do undergraduate research and found that I loved the environment and being in the lab. I saw that there was an opportunity to answer a question that had not even been considered.
I wanted to do research here because I knew that in the future that I actually wanted to do research with my respective field in biology, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I started to search around for different professors. I knew that I enjoyed ecology and learning about the environment, and she was doing work with parasites, and we know so little. So I decided it was a great opportunity to work here.
The goal of my research is to help us figure out what parasites are infecting animals in Georgia, and I do this for a variety of reasons. One, because parasites are really important to how ecosystems function. And then also because we care about the health of the wildlife. And if parasites are in higher numbers than they should be, we want to know, so hopefully we can fix it.
An average day for me here in the lab is deciding which fish I want to look at and dissect for parasites. We have about 2,000 ethanol preserved fish here on campus.
After we preserve the organs, we then would incorporate the data of location as well as size and the types of parasites in the fish.
It's just a process of dissecting, taking out every single parasite to catalog later and identify, and then so much number crunching.
Research gets me excited because I get to learn about the unknown. Usually these questions that we're asking in the lab, most people aren't tackling them every day, especially in Georgia. So just being able to go into the lab and work with people who have the same minds and work for a common goal, it just makes me feel good.
It's an opportunity to pursue questions that haven't been asked before and verify results that have previously been presented. There's not a whole lot of research that has been done into ecological parasites. We still have so much to learn.
Everything we know about the natural world, we've learned through research. Students are an integral part of this. They can play really important roles in collecting data, analyzing, and they gain really important skills.
I think research is really important for students to get involved with because there is still so much for us as a society to learn. There's a lot of options for questions to be answered, and almost every single person has at least some kind of question that they want to be answered, and that can be done through research.
It's an opportunity to learn something outside of lecture at school. It's also a good chance to tackle something unknown or get out of your comfort zone. This was definitely a chance for me to get out of my comfort zone. And I was able to tackle a question that many people aren't asking, and I was able to learn data analysis, communication skills, team building, team leadership, as well as learning under the graduate students and helping them with their projects that, who knows, maybe one day I will go in and want a job in their field.